that him making that noise?
Oh my god! Guys.
Not us. We thought you were gonna cry.
I am
I said it was wrong. I can't see a grown man cry. I gotta.
Wow.
Reindeers, man. That's Santa Claus over there.
They're my elves.
Okay, I'm gonna shut it off.
You better use it.
Oh, I got that on tape.
Oh, that would be priceless. We can laugh all year now.
You just brought it in here and stripped it down.
Oh man!
Nice rollers, all rubber mats.
Beautiful.
Well made too.
Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful.
I don't even have one of these.
Don't
like this.
They put extra of these because you're going to be sleeping on the floor for a while, so you can use those.
Awesome.
You gotta put the wheels on.
No sweat.
They'll probably be in the
Yeah, that's the wheel.
Beautiful. Oh. You know how
Honey,
I wanted
pay
one of
attention,
these?
honey. Think I didn't need one?
Yeah.
You know how I want one of these things, man? Oh.
Handles for moving it around. These handles. Here.
Oh, I see, like brackets.
Yeah.
I like that. You gotta figure out what these are. He said. Mary walks in with the two
I
keys.
think he likes it.
I think so too.
Alrighty.